So at this point, you're going to want to move on to the DNA and necklace part. So the first thing you're going to want to do is kind of explain what DNA looks like to the students. So DNA has 2 strands, and each strand has a set of letters, which are called nucleotides or bases. And those letters are G, A, C, and T. And then they're going to pair up eventually, but we don't have to worry about that quite yet. So the first thing they're going to want to do is they're going to want to take their string, and they're going to want to focus on one side. So each student's going to get one of their own sequences that they're going to use, and then they're going to look at their little key to tell them what color which bead is. So for example, if you're going to look at this first one, it goes GGT, so they're going to want to take 2 red beads and then a blue bead, and they're going to put it on their string that way. So after each student has finished their strand and they've tied off the end of their necklace, they're going to pass it on to somebody else in the class, and then they're going to complete the strand. So when they complete the strand, they're going to be doing what's called base pairing. And so each nucleotide, each base has a pair. So, and you can look at the card and it will tell you which pair goes with which. So every guanine is going to pair with a cytosine, and every adenine is going to pair with a thymine, and then vice versa. So if the student sees a red bead, they're going to put a green bead on as its pair. And then, or if they saw a blue, they could put on a yellow. And a good tip that I like to do is tell them to think of it in the groups of 3 that it comes with. So like if you had GGT, think of that as one grouping, and know that your opposite is going to be CCA. So they're going to put green, green, yellow.